Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Polestar app software version status, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Polestar app software version status, first, ensure that your smartphone is connected to the internet. Next, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Polestar and hit search. Locate the official Polestar app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open the app page. Check if the app is updated to the latest version available. If an update is available, click on the Update button. Once the app is updated, open it from your home screen. Log in using your Polestar account credentials if prompted. Navigate to the settings or main menu within the app. Look for the option labeled Software Version or Software Updates. Select this option to view the current version of the app software. The app will display the current software version status. If you encounter issues, consider checking your internet connection. You may also want to restart your device and try again. For further assistance, visit the Polestar support website. Your app software version status should now be successfully downloaded and displayed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.